What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video, guys. So I'm kind of excited to do this video. I've been wanting to do it for a while, but I just haven't had a chance to do it. As you can tell, we're trying to upgrade the quality for you guys. So we have a mic now to try and help out with the videos. And I do have another video coming up. It's a Q&A style video because it's an update for that CHP video, but getting that out of the way. This video, I've been wanting to make it for a while already. I've had this car for a while. I bought this car as a daily driver, but it actually just sits at home. I drive it maybe twice a week. I mean, twice a month just to go get a haircut. So every other weekend, here and there, I'll drive it, but nothing much. I just like the car, and I have it for sale actually on Marketplace and like OfferUp, but I really don't plan on selling it, if that makes sense. If the offer is right and the money's right, I will sell it, but I haven't really given it much thought to sell it. Regardless, without further ado, this is the car, our new to us 1995 Honda Civic, guys. The interior, it does have, of course, a little rip on the driver's side, and then they had this cover on it. Underneath it's pretty messed up as well. You can tell right here the bolster is ripped. I do want to get some new seats for it, possibly some bucket seats. I'm not sure yet the direction I'm going. It is an automatic, and it does have I bought it with 161,000 miles. Now it does have 164. Like I said, it was a daily for about 2-3 months. Then I picked up the Camry, so I did get to put about 1,000 miles in it. And yeah, now I have the Camry. But let me go ahead and show you guys the engine before we get security guard over here. Let me show you guys. All right, so here's the engine. I haven't cleaned the engine at all. I should spray it down. We did do some repairs to it already. Some maintenance, regular maintenance, nothing crazy. I do have a video coming up soon because I already recorded videos for this car on things I was fixing, other than, like I said, the actual reveal video. And I do apologize for how I'm dressed. I'm just got out of work a little while ago, and I say, you know what, I don't have a video for Thursday, so I'm going to do this. I have some video ideas, I just haven't recorded them. But yeah, back to the car. Really clean, bone stock engine, bone stock transmission. We did go ahead and replace the valve cover gasket, the spark plugs, wires, tap and rotor. There was a sensor back here. There will be a video on that because it was throwing me a check engine light. And we went ahead and did an oil change. Other than that, pretty stock. Well, I'll put up some pictures of how I got it. Like I said, interior is clean, complete. Of course, it has some wear and tear on the seats. The floors are a little dirty. I should get it detailed or cleaned up, maybe get a new carpet. Not sure yet, like I said. We did lower it. I have it on blocks, lowering springs with, I believe, 2 shocks all around. And then I went ahead and threw some SI wheels on it. Down in the rear, we do have some lower control arms, some Skunk 2 lower control arms, which the bushings are bad on them already. I bought them used. So I will be putting the stock lower control arms back on it. And I will be taking these off to get them powder coat. I want to go possibly white and purple on it, like a candy purple, or even I'm going to be wrapping this car soon. I already got a quote and everything. I just need to go drop it off, and I will show you guys that color so once it's wrapped. So I'm not sure if I should start doing the white and purple now or wait, see if it's going to match with the new color that is going to be wrapped. And I do want to also get some new wheels and coilovers eventually. Like I said, the lower control arms, we will be removing them. We will be installing new bushings on them, powder coating them, and then installing new bushings, reinstalling them back on. I do want to get a subframe brace and the rear sway bar, all the nice little fancy things on it. And then I'm going to redo the whole front suspension. I believe there's like a kit. I don't know if it's a good one or not, but there is a kit online that comes with like the lower control arms, the upper control arms, bushings, bulb, what are they called? Oh, it comes with all the bushings for the front. And then on the rear, I will be doing the trailing arm. I want to do a rear disc brake conversion, so I'm probably going to wait to that, and then install the new bushings and all that good stuff. Other than that, that's what the car is, guys. This is our new, to us, 1995 Honda Civic, bone stock. Other than like the suspension, like I said, I did go ahead and put a new battery on it. The original was really bad, kept dying, so we did go ahead and put a new battery. And yeah, guys, pretty clean. I just noticed that motor mount is loose, that bolt, so I have to go over it. Like I said, I don't drive this car. Drive it like maybe once or twice a month, but regardless, that's no excuse not to go over it. So I will be going over it, cleaning it up, and then creating more content for you guys with this one. There will be more content on the green Civic as well. I know I've been lagging it on that one. I have worked on it very little. I have the intake manifold mostly wired up already. I do have to run some oil and manually crank the engine just to make sure. And then I will be turning on, I'll have an update on that one soon, possibly in the next week or two. But for now, that's going to be it, guys. Just wanted to show you guys the new daily driver for us. And yeah, hopefully we start bringing up more content from the Civic, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Please let me know any suggestions down in the comments, what you guys suggest I should do. I'm not sure. Let me close the hood. I'm not sure if I will be swapping this engine. If I do, I have in mind to swap in a B16 with a 5-speed transmission. I've always wanted an EG with the B16 or a EJ. What is this, the EJ2? Yep, EJ2 with the B16 manual transmission. So I might go that way, not sure. Might just leave it stock, just dress it up a bit, because I love how it looks. And yeah, guys, leave me some comments, suggestions. You guys think what mods I should do down in the comments. I mean, leave some suggestions on mods down in the comments. That way I could have some ideas of what to do. Other than that, guys, as always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you're out on the road, be safe. If you're at home, enjoy time with your family. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.